So it's 12:30, not January 1st, 2024, 12:30. It's 2nd January 2024, 12:30. So I just shot a video yesterday night at 12:45, but it just got messed up, and now I am shooting this video again. So I think so I have to give you some new message or something. That's why I'm shooting this video. And first of all, I'm wishing you happy New Year 2024. So what I'm going to say in this video is I'm giving you a New Year message, and the thing is that you should have some New Year resolution. I will be saying New Year resolution, but you have to have some goals for your New Year. So this is your New Year, new beginning. So it's a new chapter in the life. I'm not saying that you have to make this a great thing. You have to just develop your life, or you have to put one step forward from the last year, or from the last month. So you have to just put just one step forward in this year. So that's what I'm saying. So you have to have a clear plan on what to do in this month. So that's what you have to have. So you have to have some New Year resolution in this year, and you have to really set some realistic expectations or New Year resolutions in this year, and you have to plan how to do it and what all you should care whenever you are doing those kind of things. And you have to really focus on that goal, on that single goal, or on that dream that you will be having some dream or goals for yourself. So sometimes you'll be having you have to achieve some kind of marks in your board examination or an examination. So yeah, you can put that as your New Year resolution. So sometimes I'll be asking someone, some people, and they'll be saying, yeah, I have no New Year resolutions or anything. So what I have to say to them is they'll be having, sometimes they'll be having, yeah, I have to go to this place in this year. So it's a New Year resolution. You should do that thing in this year itself, right? So it's a New Year resolution. So you'll be having many goals, dreams in yourself. So when you're writing your New Year resolution, you are just putting that into reality, or you are realizing that you have a dream or goal like that, and the probability or the chance to achieve that goal is more when you write down your goals and dreams. So that's what I'm saying. You have to have some New Year resolutions in here, and you have to really achieve. And I'm wishing a good year 2024, and I'll be really making a video on how to achieve your New Year resolutions or anything. So I'll be making a video on that as soon as possible. So it's all for today, and it's, yeah, I'm late. I know that this video is really late, so really sorry for that. I'll be uploading this video on 2nd January. Bye bye. It's me, Martin, signing off.